Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding down your finger on it you can access some of its settings. You can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. So for example at 20% battery this mode will be enabled automatically, and you can also turn it off when device is above 19% charged. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.